Today's featured car of the day is a 1966 Chevrolet Caprice Coupe with a 396 engine, a big block Chevy. And this particular car I recorded at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. And this one was a real beauty, being white with the contrasting turquoise interior. Definitely was caught your eye, that's for sure. And the Caprice was actually introduced by Chevrolet in 1965, where it was a higher line, luxury line above the Impala. And in 1966, Chevrolet production numbers were they sold 181,000 Caprice, of which 107,000 were the two doors. The rest were four-door sedans, and that was out of 2,206,639 vehicles total production for Chevrolet in 1966. So it was just a small part of that number, but they also had the, as far as the big blocks go, this was the RPO L35 was the 396 with 325 horsepower. That's the motor this car has. They also had the L36 427 with 390 horsepower and the L72 427 with 425 horsepower. That was the big gun. And Chevrolet put 1,856 of those motors in their full-size sedans or cars that year in 1966, with the Biscayne being the lightest and the cheapest model and potentially the quickest one. So you still do see quite a few of those around. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1966 Chevrolet Caprice with a 396 engine. If you made it to the end of the video, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and share the video with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, and consider subscribing if you aren't subscribed, and leave a comment or suggestion. And thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.